Have you ever wondered why a turbo makes that iconic whistle? Turbo uses exhaust gases to spin a turbine at over 200,000 revolutions per minute. The whistle you hear is the sound of air rushing through the turbo and spinning compressor blades at incredible speed. The louder the whistle, the more air the turbo is moving. But if the sound suddenly changes or becomes extremely loud, it could also mean there's an air leak. Fun fact, some car enthusiasts love the turbo whistle so much, they upgrade their intake just to make it louder. Follow for more crazy car facts.